So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Thank you so much for joining today in advance. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good. Everything is working fine on your side. You are fit and fine, and like always you guys are ready and excited to learn a new strategy. So some of you guys have already checked the strategy which we are going to talk about today. The name of the strategy is Horizon. How to apply this strategy manually, automatically. I will be talking about everything. Apart from that, there will be some major topics where most of the traders are struggling with, like money management, risk management, goal setting. If you need any help with that, of course you are most welcome. Before starting the conversation, I just want to give you a quick piece of information that comment section is already active. So if you will be having any doubt, question, query, make sure you use it wisely. Okay, and one confirmation I will be looking from your end, guys. Please let me know in the comment section if my audio and video is completely clear, everything is streamlined, because if anything is required to be fixed, I would love to do it as soon as possible, because I don't want any difficulties while we are in between the session. Okay, so just give me a quick confirmation. All you just need to confirm me if my audio and video is clear. Salim ji, hello, very good evening. And guys, of course, you should also tell me if any one of you have used this strategy in the past, or if you have any hold on this strategy, or in case if you are facing any difficulties. Of course, I would love to. No worries, Rajiv, you can take your time. We will kick off the session hardly within next 1 minute. So then we will just start the conversation. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So guys, without making any ado, without delaying it, let's kick off the session. Thank you so much, Salim, thank you so much for the confirmation. So guys, let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert from Olymptrade. Olymptrade is used to conduct these type of sessions where we are connecting with our traders just to help them in their trading concerns. So this is one of the session. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family before winding up, before closing this session. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification and we will be able to get in touch with you. Okay, so the name of the strategy, as I have already talked about, so the name of the strategy is Horizon. Let's start. Let's talk about that, how you can use this strategy, how it is applied. Shabana Khan ji, hello, very good evening. So guys, the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility some of my traders, some of my dear ones, they are using the mobile application. So of course the interface might be different, but one thing I can assure you guys, all the technical tools which you need to apply this strategy, which you need to use this strategy, it is available in your device also. Okay, so nothing to worry. This session is for every trader, whether you are on starter level or an advanced level, because I am going to teach you that how you can apply this strategy manually also. So do not need to buy this strategy, guys. I'm repeating again, no need to buy the strategy, because everything can be applied for free. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy, how we can apply it on this version, on the browser version. So there is a bar. There is a tower. So at the bottom there is a button with the name of technical analysis. If you are using a mobile application, same button is going to be visible somewhere on the top. You will be able to see your account balance on the top. Just below that, your name of the asset is there, and just right to that, somewhere at this level, the same shape, it's like alphabet A. Once you click on that one, either you can just go search in the search bar also, or just go to the strategy, start scrolling down, and here we go. Three lines, the three yellow line or orange line, these are indicating that it's a expert level strategy. Name of the strategy is Horizon. It can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading mode, and FX, which means forex trading mode. So that can be used for both of them. Once you click on that one, a small piece of introduction video is there. For now, you do not need to spend your time over there. Of course, I am here to help you, so nothing to worry about. But in case in future, if you miss something, if you skip something, if you want to revise something, even though I am going to save this session on the YouTube channel also, but you can explore this video also. Okay. Again, there is an introduction that how this strategy works, what are the things which you need to apply if you are applying it manually. So 2 indicators, SMA with 5, SMA with 22, oscillator MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. And one more thing you need to apply, that is high Kanashi candles. Okay, so once I'll click on that one, so here we go, everything is streamlined, everything is applied, everything is visible on the chart to use. Now this piece of information, basically guys, keep on commenting, no worries. I will come to the comment section also, so I will be taking all of your comments. Any doubt, any question, any concern regarding trading, feel free. This is your 1 hour. I request you, please do not talk about deposit withdrawal verification, because support team is already there. They are available for you, so you can talk to them. But these sessions, these are hardly for 1 hour, so I request you, please use it wisely, take benefit of that one, talk about all your trading concerns, so we will be helping you also. And if any another people is having also the same doubt, so they will be also getting the clarification. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot of this part also, because when you need to apply this strategy manually, make sure the frequencies are exactly same. So if you want to apply this manually also, just imagine like nothing is visible here. Just go to the technical analysis part, just directly go to the search bar, first type MACD, just click on this one. So you can see same frequency is there, nothing to change. Again, go to the add more tools, type SMA, click on this one. So now see, we need frequency of 5 and 22, but we are getting a 20 frequency, so just edit it. Do not click on cancel, remove or reset, just click on back button. Again, go to the add more tool, another SMA, change the frequency, and make sure you change the color also, because that's how you are going to differentiate it. Once you will click on that one, once everything is applicable, make sure you change the candles pattern also from here, from Japanese to high Kanashi. Majority of traders, they are using Japanese, but in this strategy you need to go with the high Kanashi. Once everything is applied, click on these 3 dots, save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free of cost. So this is basically for those traders, those who are on starter level or on advanced level, and the strategy is locked for them. So guys, again I'm repeating myself, no need to buy the strategy, that can be applied manually also. Okay, so far I have talked about that how this strategy can be applied manually and automatically. Still, in case if you have you are having any doubt, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will be talking about that. Okay, now as we can see that everything is already applied, everything is already visible. You can use it as it is, or I'm just used to make a single small change in the visualization. Again, I'm repeating, with the visualization and not with the frequencies. So as you if you try to observe, so as we can see that with MACD there is a 0 level, and every now and then this graph that is either intersecting or moving in the downward direction or in the upward direction, and at the same time the green line is acting as this MACD line and this red line is acting as a base level. So whenever there is an intersection, so the green line is intersecting the red line in the same direction. So either you can use this one or both of them, but to make it more simple, because lesser the confusion, lesser the lines will be there, so that will not be creating much confusion. So what I will do, I will just hide this line, and from histogram I will just change it to normal line graph. Now it will be more easy to understand that when there is a intersection. You can use it as it is, or you can make the required changes just to make it more simple, because you know, less lines on the visible on the screen, that will be more easy to understand also. Now let's talk about that how this strategy works. Guys, I can see that comments are there, so you can keep on writing down your comment. I will be coming to your comments also before going live on trading part, so nothing to worry. Okay, just keep on writing your comments. Just let me know from where you have joined, because that is always very fascinating for me, just to know that I am sitting in one corner of the world and someone sitting on the next corner or on the other corner, and they are listening. So this is something a very happy feeling, that I am trying to help someone who is sitting very far from me. So guys, just let me know like from where you have joined, what is your experience, if you have used this strategy. So let's make this conversation a bit more active. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy first. So guys, as we have checked in the introduction also, so there are 3 things where we need to focus on. So let's try to make it more easy to understand from one by one. So the first confirmation we will be getting with the high kinetic candles. It's the easiest one to understand also. So as we know that the red candles means market can go into the downward direction, the green candles means market can go into the upward direction. So that's how high kinetic candles are going to give you a confirmation that what can be the direction of the market. So red candle, market downward, green candle, market upward. Very easy to understand, very layman thing, right? Now let's talk about the second confirmation that we are going to get with the help of SMA, simple moving average. So we are having 2 frequencies, SMA 22 and SMA 5. Okay, so all you just need to focus on the movement of SMA 5. So whenever SMA 5 is going to intersect the SMA 22, or let me make it more easy, that the yellow line is going to intersect the blue line. Let me try to make it a bit more bright, or if we can make it, no, I think all lines are same visibility, nothing much. Okay, let it be like this one. So whenever the yellow line, which is SMA 5, is going to intersect the SMA 22 blue line, in whichever direction the intersection is there, that can be the direction of the market. Now guys, understand one thing, what I am saying, that can be, that will be, there is a difference. Why I am saying like that, because see guys, understand one thing, these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools. There are no such strategies which will be promising or assuring 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest everything in a single trade by focusing that I have a strategy and I am going to win everything. There is nothing like that. You have to focus on these things. You have to focus on your money management, risk management also, along with these strategies, because these are the technical tools which are going to calculate a few previous candles, and they are going to make some calculation, and they are going to tell you that what can be the direction of the market. Okay, so this is the first rule that you should be focusing on. And of course, it's a financial market, guys. There is a chance of partial or fully amount loss. So considering that thing, also invest some time. Also, it's not only about investing money, it's also investing about time. Learn these things. After that, you should start investing money. Spend some time, learn a couple of things, get a hold on that one. After that, I'll suggest you should focus on investing. But before that, learn these things. And that is the reason that we are also coming live. We are also giving sessions just to help our trader to make sure that they have a good hold on the trading. Okay, so let's go back to the strategy. So all you just need to focus on that in whichever direction the 5 SMA is intersecting 22. If intersection is upward direction, the market can go upward, or if the intersection is in the downward direction, so the market can go into the downward direction. So 2 confirmation we have already talked about. The first one with the help of the color of the candle, and second one with the help of the SMA's intersection. Now let's talk about the third confirmation. So the third confirmation we will be getting with the help of this MACD line. So if you observe, if you focus, there is a level with the number with the frequency of 0, and every now and then, if I'll zoom out, so what exactly is happening? So this SMA line, this red line, is trying to intersect. Sometime it is intersecting the market, the base level in the upward direction, someone downward, again upward, again downward. So and that is keep on happening every now and then. And whenever there is an intersection with the 0 level, if I'll try to observe with the market also, or with the formation of the candle. So if I'll observe on this candle, there was an intersection of with this candle, there was an intersection on this level in the downward direction, and after that the market is in downward. So whenever you will be getting all 3 confirmation all together, then there will be a signal that you can open your position. Again, I am repeating, red candles downward, SMA 5 intersecting SMA 2, again it is also stating the same thing, and in the meantime MACD is also intersecting in the downward direction or already intersected. So these three confirmation will be telling you that market can go into the downward. On the vice versa, green candles, SMA 5 intersecting SMA 22 in the upward direction, and at the same time MACD intersected the 0 level in the upward direction, so market can go into the upward direction. Very easy to understand, very easy. So still, if you have any doubt, guys, comment section is there, just let me know. I will be talking about that also. I will be guiding you. Okay, nothing to worry. So let's kick off the action part. Let's do some live action. Let's do some live trading. But before coming to that, let me open a couple of more assets. So we will be having number of, what we call. Okay, so I have opened a lot of assets. So now we have number of cards available in our deck. So we will keep on shuffling. We will keep on looking for different signals. We will keep on looking for different charts, and then whenever we will be getting some signal, we will be opening a trade. For this strategy, the minimum suggested time frame is 1 minute. So if you are going for 1 minute, so you can open a 2 to 4 minute trade. So 2 to 4 candle trade. So we will start with 2 candles. So 1 minute chart time frame, 2 candles means 2 minutes. If the trades will go positive, good to know. Otherwise, we will change the time frame to 3 minute or 4 minute. If you will increase the time frame, you can. That is completely fine. You can go for 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute also. And if you want to go with the 4x, so I'll suggest minimum chart time frame should be 1 hour or 4 hours. Because in forex, the longer duration you are going to keep, and the more market is going to go in your favor, the more profit you are going to make. I hope everybody knows that. Okay, so let's start. Let's kick off today's trading session. Let's kick off today's live action. Till the time, I am just keep on shuffling my cards, guys. A few more important piece of information. First one, guys, even though this session is live, but the conversation which we are going to have, there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away in front of you, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will open right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of candles or at least half candle. And if you will try to copy trade, if you will try to copy the trade, so that can lead to some negative results. So I'll suggest focus on learning first, focus on this part. Once you will be having a hold on the strategy, so then of course that will be more easy for you to trade on your own. And in the meantime, it's about to 7 o'clock IST, so US market is about to open, so of course you might find some sudden fluctuations. So I will also suggest to avoid copy trading. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I have taken in the past. Everything is based on my technicals, hold, my practice, my strategy. So I am going to be the responsible one for my trade. And third thing, as I have already mentioned, there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy, and in trading there is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So make sure you get a hold on that. Once you learn it, practice it, then take it to your live account. Okay, so now let's start. We have already talked a lot, so let's start taking some trades. I am just waiting for a signal. Once I will be opening at least 1 or 2 trades, then I will be okay. So there was one signal, but we have already missed. No worries. So let's move to the another. Okay, so I will open at least 2 to 3 trades, and then of course I can see that there are so many comments where I need to talk. I need to clear your doubts, of course. Okay, so there is one signal, intersection of SMA 5 and 22, red candles, and MACD in the downward direction. So it's there, good to know. So let's see how the trade goes. Let me just have a quick look on another assets also. If any signal is there, I'm expecting that there will be a signal sooner or later, or after completion of this candle. So MACD intersection is already there, green candles are there, but I'm just waiting for the intersection of this SMA. Once this intersection will be there, so I will just stick to this asset for now, until and unless we will not be getting any signal. I will just wait for this one, or let me take some comments also. So okay, so hello sir, any openings in your company? Akpak ji, you can drop your CV and your cover letter to our support team. They will forward it to the HR department. If any upcoming opportunities will be there, of course HR will get in touch with you, and then they will give you all the required information. Okay, so there is a signal. Okay, so we have opened another trade in the upward direction. Let me see if any another signal is there. So two trades are in ongoing for both for $15, 2 minutes. Let's see this trade. Okay, so market reversed itself and this trade seems to be going into the negative side. Nothing to worry. I was expecting that there will be some sudden volatility, but nothing to worry. Okay, so let me take some more. Sumit ji, hello. Tectonic buyers. I have withdrawal problem in Olymptrade. I made it on 10th July, still under process. Tectonic, I am so sorry to hear that. I request you just get in touch with the support team. They will be helping you with that one. And we want to know your Bitcoin analysis. Akpak ji, Bitcoin is something like skyrocketing. It's already on its highest price right now. So I am expecting that it might get stuck there for shorter time window, but after that I'm expecting that it will boom again because Bitcoin is keep on raising and that is on the highest price so far. Okay, so the smoke tire. Sir, I didn't got your comment. I'm so sorry, Rajiv. You only will teach or also give entry point. Rajiv, I will help you with the technical tools, so you will be able to make entry points on your own. So once you will be having a hold on this strategy, so you will be able to calculate on your own that how these technical tools are working and how you can take trades. Okay, so I just took this trade a bit more aggressively. Let me just check if any more signals are there. Okay. Okay. So Fazal, salam walaikum salam. Nail art. Okay, so Nail art, she is saying that if anybody is having deposit or issues. Salim Khan, so you told that the strategy is free. Of course, Artfire strategy is free. In case if strategy is locked for you, I have already talked about that how you can apply it manually. So I request you, do not buy the strategy. You can apply it manually. These are the 3 technical tools you need to apply, and along with that, you just need to change the candle patterns. That's it. Nothing to worry. Okay, so we have taken 2 trades. Both trade went negative. Let's see what can be done. Okay, so in this one there was a market reversal. In this one, let me see what can be done. Okay, so I have taken a trade in the upward direction. After some time, market reversed itself. Okay, no worries. Let's try another approach. Let's change the chart time frame. The trade time frame. So initially we were taking trades with 2 minutes. Let's switch to the 3 minute trade time duration. Even though it's almost 7, so of course I was expecting that there will be some sudden volatility. Let me reduce the trade amount also, considering my risk management also, because I do not want to waste a lot of money while just trying to get a hold on trades. So nothing to worry. Okay, so okay, Dhruv 600 name say ID. Okay, Aryan, hello. Live trade is there. Prasad ji, of course I am going to take some live trades just to show you that how this strategy works, but I'll suggest that do not please avoid taking copy trades. Wallet name. Okay, Aryan, I request you please connect with support team. Either you can just go here, help center, support. If you are on advanced level, so you will be getting a option to chat for the chat support. If you are on expert, so you will be getting a chat plus call. But if you are on starter, you can just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. So they will be helping you with your concern. Nothing to worry. Your funds are safe. You will be getting them for sure. Okay. Okay. Sumit. So Horizon is asking to subscription charges. Sumit, I am repeating again, do not subscribe the strategy. It can be applied for free of course. Let me tell you again. So just click on this technical analysis button. Just click here, type SMA, apply SMA with the required frequency. First 5, then 22nd. Again add tools, type MACD. The required frequency is 12, 26, 9, and we have got the same. After that, from here you can just change the candle pattern from Japanese to high Kanashi. That's it. After that, click on these 3 buttons, save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. Again, I am repeating all the strategies which we are talking about or we are guiding our traders with. We are also helping them that how they can apply it manually, because only then that this session will be helpful for the starter level holders also. Otherwise, only if the expert level holders will be able to use this strategy, then of course only they will be able to join that, or they will be having the benefits. So considering that thing, I am always guiding the traders to apply it manually also. Okay, so Mitu, I am new. Mitu, I'm glad to know that you have joined our platform. Very warm welcome to the family. I request you, please make sure you invest time also in learning the strategy, in learning the platform. Okay. Can you tell me why my money has not been credited to my account? Om Gamerji, I request you, please connect with the support team if any concerns regarding deposit or withdrawal. You lose your deposit because I faced it. Salim Khanna ji, there is nothing like that. If any of your deposit is stuck, I request you, please connect with the support. Very good luck. Thank you so much. Fahim Ali, hello. Kisi. Okay, Fahim, maybe earning करना सिखाओ. बिल्कुल Fahim, I am here to help you with all your trading concerns. So you can just spend your time, you can just invest your time, learn technical tools, strategies, market news, and then of course you will be able to make some funds on the platform. Okay, so let's see. So it's about to 7, US market is about to open, and I am assuming that there will be some sudden volatility, sudden fluctuations, so nothing to worry. We will still try to take couple of trades. Okay, so first confirmation is there, second confirmation is there, and the candle colors are already there. Nothing to worry. We have taken another trade, even though we were supposed to take a trade on the previous candle. I am quite late, but I have just tried to take a trade in the downward direction. Let's see, because this trade I will be assuming with this candle also. I just want to calculate on the basis of this candle, even though if this trade will go negative, that is fine, but I just want to calculate if the 3-minute time frame is suitable now or not. Okay, so I am just keep on, guys, in case if you will be getting any signal, just let me know in the comment section. I will be taking trade on your behalf. Of course, I am not going to share my profit, but at least you will be getting an idea that whether you are getting a hold on strategy or not. Okay. Okay. Barbie 22, this is not like a gambling, because here you can apply technical tools, strategies, market news will be showing you the correct effect. So it's a trading platform. But if you're just focusing on candle colors, and if you're just making some random guesses that last 4 candles were red, next can be red, or last 4 candles were green, or next can be green, and you are taking trades with very short time duration like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, so that can be very risky. But if you are having a hold on technicals, then this is a hardcore trading platform. That is the reason that I am always telling my traders that invest time also to learn these things. Can you explain the current market situations? Like different assets, they are having different scenarios, like some are booming, some are moving into the downward direction. In the meantime, there if any market data is going to be published in the economic calendar, so of course they will be also affecting. And in the meantime, earning season will be there sooner or later, so you will be able to grab a hold on that also. Okay, Barbie 22, I am sad to know that yesterday you have lost 3,000, but tell me if you have used any strategy. Okay, so the smoke tire is from India and Poonam Singh ji is from Punjab. Very nice. I am glad to know that people from that far, they are connected with me. Okay, Tushia is from United Arab Emirates. Very nice. It's a lovely place. I have been there, so I can say that it's very nice. Art Fire Telangana, very nice. So people from this southern India are also there. SMA lines are not looking. Janalji, please confirm. Tell me like what is the what you are talking about. SMA lines are not looking. You are not able to find the SMA lines while applying the strategy, or any issues you are facing. Please just tell me. I am Sumit from Pune, Maharashtra. Very nice. Glad guys. I'm very happy to see that all across the globe people are connected with me. Okay, Tusha, I request you spend some time, get a hold on that one, so you will be able to. Kenya logged in. Very nice. Rana, hello, sir. Okay, so Usman ji is talking about bonus system. Okay, Usman ji, just give me a quick moment. Let me just try to shuffle a couple of assets. Let me open at least 1 or 2 trades. Then I will be giving you some information about the bonus system also. Okay, so this trade went negative. Again, we found the same fluctuation. So the market is holding the trend at max to max only for one candle, not more than that one. Now I think I need to use some RFTs to recover the previous funds which I have lost on the during the trading. So let's see. Let me find some signals. Once I will be finding any signal, I will be opening a trade with the help of RFTs, because sudden volatility is there. So I am facing some negative results, but nothing to worry. Okay, and guys, this that is the reason that whenever I am talking to the traders personally, also I am also suggesting that whenever the market is switching from one to another, so I'll suggest either try to take a break or start taking trades with a very small amount, because there is a possibility that the strategy which was giving you nice accuracy. Let me show you. So early in the morning I was taking trades with the 2 minutes, everything was working streamlined, but after that 7 o'clock you can see the results also. So that is why you should also take a break also. It's not like that you will not be able to make profits during this time duration. You can, all you just need to pay attention on some small what we call like some small directions or some small inputs or some small details, that whether the strategy is working same. Sometime what you will find that all you just need to change the time frame of the trade. That's it. Okay, so let me open at least 1 or 2 more trades, and then I will just coming back to the comment section, because there is a very excited and long awaited update happened on our platform. So we have relaunched the bonus system. So those who haven't checked it, so you will be able to check in the reward section also, and when you will be making a deposit, you will be getting an option for promo code also. Just give me a minute, I will be giving you some more information about that one. It's very fascinating. It's very excited to see, like, because this time the bonus system is very nice and this is something very lucrative. So I think you should spend some time to learn about that one, and in case if you find it useful, of course you are most welcome to take benefit of it. Okay, so back to back assets, we are just keep on shuffling, but we are not getting any signals. Okay, so I am expecting that there will be a signal in the downward direction. So first confirmation, second confirmation is already there with the help of the MACD. Let me open a trade in the downward direction. The third confirmation is still in the pipeline, but I have opened a trade on the basis of these two confirmation. The reason behind is why I have opened a trade, because I have already applied a risk-free trade. Guys, the benefit of risk-free trade, those who don't know, so if my trade will go positive, of course I will be getting the profit, but if the trade will go negative, I will not be facing any deduction. That is the best part of risk-free trade. That is the reason that I have opened up position on a what we call incomplete signal also. Now the completion is there, but every now and then we are just finding some volatility, some reversal also. So let's see if this trade will go positive or not. Okay, so another trade is already in the pipeline. It's already ready to go, ready to launch. Okay, so on composite, one trade is already in the pipeline. I am just looking for some more signals on another asset. Okay, so nothing is there, so market reverse again before making any intersection. Okay, so very nice. We were supposed to open the trade almost 30 seconds ago, but nothing to worry. Again, another RFT has been applied. Okay, so let me change the trade time amount again to the previous one. Okay, so guys, let me tell you about the bonus system. So initially you were not able to use the bonus until and unless your capital was wiped out, but now you will be able to use it along with your capital. So if you are taking a trade, so one part, like a specific part, will be deducted from your capital and a specific part will be deducted from your bonus itself. So that calculation will be based on the how much bonus you will be getting while making a deposit. Second thing, you when you will be accepting an offer while making a deposit, so you will be getting a task. The task progress will be visible here also, or once you will be clicking on this one, that will be visible just below the account balance. And from there itself, once you will be completing the task, so your bonus, that will also convert to the real fund, so you will be able to withdraw it. So there was a question that we will be able to get bonus only once or multiple times. So till the time, guys, you are within one offer, so you will be able to grab the bonus only once. Okay, just imagine that you made one deposit with one bonus, and you started completing that task. You were able to achieve it, good to know. In case if you were not able to achieve it, but you want to complete that task, you want to proceed further, you can make another deposit, but you will not be getting bonus. But in case you are thinking that I want to remove that task, I just want to enter into a new task, so you can cancel the ongoing offer first, then you can move to the another offer, and while making the another deposit, when you have already cancelled the offer, then you will be getting the bonus again, but only once, then when you will be having the promo codes available. Okay, so I am telling again, if you are within one offer, so you will not be getting multiple bonus, only one bonus will be there. You will be able to use it along with your capital side by side, so you will be getting a additional cushion. Still, if you will be having any doubt, the best part which I can suggest you, go to help center. You will be getting a search button here like this one, so just type bonus and you will be getting all the required information there, guys. Still, if you have any doubt, just write me in the comment section. Okay, so okay guys, so one trade was negative, the trade which we opened for $20. Okay, let me see what can be improved, what can be done. Let me see. Okay, so this trade I am assuming that it will go positive. Okay, so see, again the same situation every time we are facing here, so every time there is a market reversal. Okay, so finally we succeed to have one successful trade. So so far we have lost how much? So almost 55 we have lost. So out of 55 we have recovered already 42. So hardly $12.50 is there to go to be recovered. Nothing to worry. I am expecting that market will now start getting stabilized. The uncertain volatility will disappear, and then we will be able to make some profits also. Okay, so let me. Okay, I came to Olymptrade after too much loss in pocket option and Cortex. Now track, I suggest, I'll wish that you will recover everything from our platform, whatever you have lost on another platform. And in the meantime, I request you, make sure you spend enough time, you invest enough time to make hold on strategies. And guys, again I'm repeating myself, it's not like that if one strategy is working for me, that will be working same for you, or vice versa. There is a possibility that one strategy is working very fluently for you and that I am not able to make profit. The reason behind it, that how well practice you have and how well hold you have on that strategy. So that is the reason that before coming to any conclusion that whether this strategy is good for you or not good for you, I'll always suggest open at least 75 to 100 trades on your demo account, just to calculate the conclude this thing, that whether it is working for you or not. Okay, second thing, I'll suggest practice the strategy on demo. But in case if you're thinking that no Kunal, that is not something where I'm getting excited, or I'm not getting that pressure or that excitement in my blood when I am trading on demo, then it's fine. I completely understand. I have seen so many traders, those who are not ready to practice the strategy on demo. It's completely fine, you can use it on your live also. But then I'll suggest try to trade with the least minimum, like 70 rupees, $1 only. Because just imagine that if you are going to take 75 trades, okay, and you are going to make hardly 40% accuracy or 50% accuracy, so at least you will not be having that much loss in your account, which you will not be able to recover, or which you will not be able to survive with. So that is the reason that I'll suggest go with the demo. But in case if you want to go with live, so make sure you trade with the lowest amount for at least first 75 to 100 trades. Okay, so learning is the only way. Sumit Kumarji, exactly 100% agree with you. I am always saying that keep learning, keep earning. That is the only motto in trading. And it's not only about trading. Whatever you are doing in your life, you have to learn it first. Sometimes traders are saying that, sir, I was just focusing on candles, but I am not able to make profit. Why it is like that? Guys, it is not only about the candle colors. You have to analyze also. Okay, indicators are slow. I never trust indicators. Now track, see, it's not like Renga Rajanji, hello. So now track, it's not like that indicators are slow or we should not be trusting them, but they are just giving you a guidance that can be direction of the market. Like rather than having no indication, no calculation, no analysis, I'll suggest better to use at least something, so you will be having at least an idea that what can be there in the market. Just a random example, like sometime what we are doing, so like back to back green candles are there, so we will be assuming that so many green candles are there, so next can be also the green. But if you will be using RSI or if you are using stochastic, so you will be getting a confirmation that the market is already in the overbought zone or oversold zone, so of course there can be a price correction sooner or later, so we will be avoiding taking trades on those windows. So that's how you can just have a quick idea about that. Surajji, I request you please connect with the support team. They will be helping you with all your trading concerns. Just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will be guiding you with that. Okay, can you please reconfirm if we have selected SMA and MACD? Yes, Poonamji, you need to use both of them. Let me tell you again, or you can just scroll back the session again. You will be able to find it, or till the time we are not getting any signal, let me show you again. Just click on this one, technical tools, type SMA, go to SMA. We need 5 and 22. First I'll just click on this one. I will just change it to 5, not cross, not remove, not reset, back button. So it will stay there. Again add SMA, again click here, change it to 22. Make sure you change the color, so that will be more easy for you to differentiate. Not close, remove, reset, back button. Again you will be applying MACD, so the same frequency is there. So now see, we can tell you 5 is there, check. SMA 22 check. MACD 1226 9, check. Everything is good to go. Now once you will apply everything, so what I have made changes in this one just in the visualization. So if you want to make this one also same, close, and you can see the same exact, everything is same. Click on 3 buttons, save strategy, next, and your strategies are ready to be used for free. Okay, so Poonamji, I hope everything is clear. Still, if anybody is having any doubt, guys, I am still available for next 10-15 minutes, so just let me know. I can see that no further comments are available, so just let me know. Okay, so deal with, okay, so many comments are there. Let me see. Okay, my withdrawal doesn't receive. Can you please reconfirm? Okay, can you help me? Surajji, please connect with the support team. What's the ratio can we see? Okay, so ratio is already available, sir. 1226 9. This is the frequency. Just let me know if you're talking about the ratio of the bonus and the capital. Please explain new bonus system with an example. So Chang Devji, just imagine that if you are making a deposit of $100 and you are getting 100% bonus. So in this one you will be getting up to 100%. Just imagine that you got 100% bonus. So if you will be opening a trade with $20, so 10 will be deducted from your bonus, 10 will be deducted from your capital. So that is on the basis of that how much percentage you have got as a bonus. So sometime this deduction will be different. It's not the fixed one, so it will keep on varying. Second thing, whenever you will be completing the task, so your funds will be, your bonus will convert it to the real funds, so you will be able to withdraw it. All the terms and condition, everything is available in the help section also, so you will be able to explore it from there. Short OGG, I request you please use some strategy. In case if you are using something, just let me know. I will help you with that also. Hello Mr. Can we follow your trading? Amazing explanation. Where are you from, bro? Can you trade with big amount? MD Marufji, I can trade with big amount. Thank you so much for your comment also. But one thing I'll tell you that, see, the reason behind why I'm trading with a small amount, because if 1 or 2 or 5 trades will go negative, so at least I will not be getting much pressure. And that is a part of risk management. Guys, understand one thing. You will be able to make profits only under one condition, when you have funds in your account. So that is the reason. Slowly and gradually, if you will keep on building up your capital, you will be able to make a very nice profit. But if you will try to make thousand and lakhs or $100,000 in a single day, sometime that can lead to some over trading also. So as a result, you will be wiping out your complete portfolio. And guys, understand one thing, over trading is the biggest poison in the world of trading. So we are quite late, but let me open a trade. Guys, in the beginning I was just trying to open trade back to back. The reason behind that, I just want to show you maximum examples, but for you there are no such compulsion. Take one trade, wait for the result. If the trade is positive, good to know. Use your money management if you want to increase the amount. If the trade is negative, use your risk management if you want to decrease the amount. If you don't want to increase it, that is completely fine, that is completely understood. But if your back-to-back trades are going negative, I'll suggest decrease the amount, get a hold on market, and then start investing again. Okay, so hello sir, I have one question. Please give me one genuine answer. If I daily trade in only one asset, Asia Composite, then create any problem in my trading amount? Because there is nothing like that. You can trade on a single asset also, but the reason behind like why I will not be suggesting to stick to one asset, sometime there will be some data, some market volatility which can lead to some negative results. So you should be keep on switching the assets also. In the meantime, if one asset is not performing good, or you are not able to make enough profit, or sometime the profitability is very less, so at least you should be having hold on multiple. Okay, so that is the reason I am expecting that market will bounce back, because there is a resistance level. Let's see how it goes. So our 3 trades are going on. So let's see. Okay, so one trade is in no profit, no loss. Second is seems to be going in the profit, and third one might go in the loss, because here I am expecting that market will bounce back. Let's see. Okay, so bro, can we calculate how can we calculate a technical strategy? MD Maruf, Mohammed Maruf. So like I am not getting your comment, but I believe like you are talking about that how this strategy is working, or what are the frequencies. So if you are applying the strategies from the system itself, so everything is tried and tested. So many traders have used these strategies, and then they have concluded that with these frequencies, if you have a hold on the strategy, you will be able to make a handsome profit. But in case if you are able to make profit with some different frequencies also, that is most welcome, because at the end of the day our main focus is just to make a profit on the platform. Okay, so Poonam Singh ji, can you explain how to deal with emotional trading and getting into revenge mode to recover? Poonam ji, understand one thing. In this market, in trading, whenever you are taking some aggressive trades, or whenever you are trading with aggression or emotion, understand one thing: you will be getting the result directly in front of you immediately. And everybody knows, if we are making any decision when we are in aggression or when we are emotional, 90 to 95% of time that that decision is not leading to something productive. And second thing, guys, understand one thing: if you have made one loss on the platform, that is completely fine. We are making losses on the platform, it is common thing, because in trading there are 2 scenarios: profit and loss. That's it, nothing else. But if you have lost something on the platform, you can follow couple of things. Like if you have taken 2 to 3 trades on a single asset, the trade is not going positive. Okay, so there was a signal, but we missed, nothing to worry. So if back-to-back trades are going positive or negative, switch the asset. There is a possibility that there is some data floated into the market, you do not have a hold on that one. So as a result, you should take a break for 10-15 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, if you think that no, I don't want to take a break, just move to demo account. Initially, first grab a hold on the market, understand that what exactly I need to change. So initially when we started this session, so I was taking trade with the 2 minute. But then I come to a conclusion that no, 2 minute is not working fine for me. What I have done? I just changed the time frame. That's it. Sometimes these small changes can make a big difference. Okay. Third thing, if you don't want to trade on demo, decrease the trade amount, invested amount. Just go to the $1 trade, 70 rupees trade. There is nobody who is going to tell you that, Kunal, you have made that much fund from the platform, so you have to take trade with $100 or $1,000. There is nobody who is going to push you for that. It's only you who is pushing yourself. So make sure, again, the same thing. If you will be having funds in your account, only then and there you will be able to make profit. And you should also work on your take profit and stop loss. If you are not stick to your take profit, that is completely fine. That is completely understood. Sometimes we have some commitments to make. Sometimes we have some profits to losses to recover. That is completely fine. But make sure you stick to your stop loss. In case if you're not sure that how to calculate your stop loss, you can connect whenever you will be connecting with your personal analyst, you can ask them. In the meantime, because today we are not having much time, so I'll not be able to talk about much about that one. So in next session, just let me know in the beginning, so I will be talking about that also. Or in the coming sessions, you can talk to any analyst, whosoever will be coming live, you can talk to them, they will be guiding you with that also. Because every day is not Christmas, every day is not Eid, every day is not Diwali. So of course guys, every day is not a profit also. There will be some days with the losses also, so that is completely fine. We will be making profits with our choice, and we will be making losses with my own choice also. Nobody else is going to decide that. Okay, Sumiji, glad to know that you are able to use this strategy. Okay, will you guide the signal? Prajwal, I request you, please scroll back this session again and just check. Okay, so we have taken 3 trades. Very nice guys, back to back successful trades. So guys, see, let me show you again. So initially when we started this this session, 1 2 3 4, we have taken 4 trades. One was 5 trades, 3 with 3 minutes, 2 with 2 with 3 minutes, 3 with 2 minutes. Back to back trades were negative. After that, we can see that the market started getting stabilized itself, and now we are able to make some profits also, and we have recovered everything whatever we have lost, or in fact somewhere we have lost 55, and I believe we have recovered more than that one. So everything is going streamlined so far. Let's see if we are able to get some more signals, and I can see that there are some couple of comments are still pending, so let me talk about that also. Okay, sorry. Okay, so Rakesh ji, very good evening. I waited for my deposit for a while and it reflected later. Don't worry guys, thank you so much for assuring another traders also, sir. Okay sir, can you kindly assist me with my query? Poonam ji, please let me know if you are still struggling with the same thing what I have talked about so far. So you just need to take a break, just stay calm, look into that what exactly can be changed, work on that thing, and then start trading again. And till the time you are not able to get a great hold on the strategies, great hold on the market, either invest your time on demo or start investing the least amount, trading amount. Okay, how percentage is trading? Meshabji, like if you can have a success rate of 50 to 55 with a great success money management and risk management, I can tell you one thing, that you will be able to make a handsome profit. Navneet ji, thank you so much for your comment for the signal, but I'm so sorry I missed it. Tushia is from for sure. Tushia, one day if I'll be coming to Dubai, of course I would love to meet you for sure. Sumit, thank you so much for insightful session. I am glad to practice this. Going to practice. Please, Sumiji, invest your time to tell how to read the signals. So, Tushia, I just request you, please just scroll back it again. All you just need to focus on 3 things. The first, the candle color: green candle, market up; red candle, market down. In the meantime, you need to focus on the SMA 22 and SMA 5. SMA 5 is intersecting SMA 22 in whichever direction. That can be direction of the market, and at the same time you will be focusing on MACD also. So there is a 0 level whenever the market, whenever this line, this red line will intersect the MACD 0 level in the upward direction, market can go into the upward, or vice versa, market can go into the downward direction. When you will be getting all these 3 confirmation all together, then you can open a position. For suggested time frame, the minimum chart time frame should be 1 minute, and trade time frame you can go for 2 to 4 candles. So 4 candles means, if the chart time frame is 1 minute, so 2 candles means 2 minutes, 3 candles means 3 minutes, 4 candles means 4 minutes. If you will increase the chart time frame to 1 to 2, 5 or 10, whatever the time frame you want to go with, that's how you can calculate your time frame. Okay, Monster Hunter, hello. Okay, so Navneet ji, thank you so much. Okay, so he's from Uttar Pradesh. Very nice. Yes, me too. I lost 800 dirham. Tushya ji, I request you, please spend some time, please invest some time, learn these things, and then you will be able to grab a hold. I earned 500 dirham and lost. See, that is the thing that you should be focusing on, that how much you have earned and how much you can lose. Now, if you have made 500 dirham, if I will be making that much amount, and if I'll start making losses, so at least max to max I will be facing a loss of 200 dirham, then I will just quit for the day, because I will be winding up my day, closing my day with at least 300 dirham profit. And if I will be following the same scenario every day, now calculate how much profit possibility was there. I wish I could steal your RFT. Akpak ji, I wish you can but I think that that was not that is not possible. But Akbar ji, recently we have conducted one tournament also, turnover titans. So in that one, whosoever won the tournament, so they were getting huge RFTs, like with a very nice amount. So like the winner got somewhere around $5,000 RFT. So you can work on that. Can bonus amount be used only for the assigned task? Sir, bonus can be used to trade, and whichever trade you will be taking on fixed time trading mode, that will be a part that will be counted in your task progress. Okay, so Prajwal, we are using Horizon strategy. The name of the strategy is mentioned in the description also. $30 loss, Olymptrade, please loss recover. Vampire YT, I request you, please use some strategy. If you are not using Benjo Mark, why not Bitcoin not giving 80%, 90% for successful trader, only 10%? Benjo Mark, so the profitability is depending on so many things like liquidity and so many things. So sometime that is keep on fluctuating. Babu Bhai, $150 loss on Olymptrade. What I do now? Babu Bhai, I request you, work on your technical first and see if you want to recover it, that is completely fine. Even I wish to that you should be recovering it, but do not take aggressive trades. Like do not feel like that I will be taking trades with $10 each and I will be recovering it within next 10-15 minutes. Just stay calm, slowly and gradually start with investing with $1 or $2 and slowly gradually increase the amount and recover it slowly. Okay, no worries Poonamji. How do I signal? Tushya, I have already explained it multiple times. I request you, if you again missed it, so just scroll it to the beginning and you will be able to check it again. Sir, using Arun or ADX is very helpful. Pushpak, that is very easy to use. You can use that one. That is completely fine. Whichever is Arun is going to hit the highest frequency, so that can be the direction of the market. That is completely up to you, that which one you are having a hold on. Lalit, in this one we are using SMA with 22, SMA with 5, then one oscillator with which is MACD 12, 26 and 9, and of course the candle name, the candle pattern which we are using is high connection. Okay, so Poonam, thank you so much for your comment. Guys, it's about to finish, so we have 2 more minutes. So now I just want a quick feedback from your side. So all you just can give me 0 to 5 star if this was not a good enough session. So you can give me 0. If you like the session, you want to stay connected with me, just give me 5 stars. So 0 to 5 star, whichever feedback you want to give, you can. You have only 2 minutes, so I request you, please be quick, because if anything is required to be fixed, anything is required to be improved, I would love to have that feedback. I would love to do that one, because this is a time where we are connecting with you people. So I just want to make sure that your time is used completely. You are getting full out of it. So guys, just a quick request to you, 0 to 5 star you can give me. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. Even though if you will be giving 0, no grudges, that is completely acceptable, that is completely fine. Sumit ji, thank you so much for your 5 star. Guys, if anybody is still willing to participate, still willing to give me some stars, they are most welcome. Okay, so far we have talked about the horizon strategy. I request you again, please make sure you apply this strategy on demo first. Have a hold on that one. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then you can switch to the live account. Okay, so guys, it was lovely talking to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for making such a interactive session. I wish you a great day, and also stay safe, stay healthy, keep earning and keep learning. Guys, make sure you invest time also. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time also. That is the reason I am always saying, keep learning, keep earning. Thank you so much guys. This was your host, this was your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much.